Imagine a Swiss engineer, Georges de Mestral, returning from a hunting trip in 1941, frustrated by the burrs stuck to his clothes. Instead of just brushing them off, he had a light bulb moment. What if those pesky burrs could inspire a new fastening system? Fast forward to 1955, and Velcro was born, revolutionizing everything from fashion to aerospace. But here's the kicker: while it's celebrated for its convenience, some argue it's a symbol of laziness. Is Velcro a genius invention or a crutch for creativity? And did you know that it took nearly a decade for it to gain traction in the market? What do you think? Is Velcro a modern marvel or just a simple solution that's overhyped?